Good morning, students. Today we will solve our worksheet number 4. Question number 1. Which whole number has no predecessor? Predecessor means a number just before. So the answer is 0. The whole number 0 has no predecessor क्योंकि whole number start ही कहाँ से होते हैं? 0 से. It means इससे पहले वाला कोई number उस set में नहीं है. Right? Come to question number 2. What is the value of 888 into 97 plus 888 into 3? Here we are using the distributive property. The question is having two terms and both the terms having 888. हमने उसे कॉमन ले लिया, ब्रैकेट फॉर्म किया, 97 plus 3. Now 888 common, 97 plus 3 is 100. Now we have to multiply these two numbers. So 888 1s are 888 and 0 0. This is the answer. Now come to question number 3. Write additive identity of 673. Additive identity means what number should be added in 673 that gives the answer remains same. So the additive identity is 0 because when we add 0 with any number it will give the same number. So additive identity of 673 and or any number is 0 always. So answer is 0. What is the multiplicative identity of 1974? Multiplicative identity जिससे आप मल्टीप्लाई करें और आपको आंसर वही मिल जाए. So that number is always 1. 1974. So 1 is the multiplicative identity of any number. And here also 1974 के लिए भी 1 ही रहेगी. What is the successor of the largest 4-digit number? Then we first write the largest 4-digit number is right, and we want the successor of this number. So for finding the successor, what we do, we add 1 for finding the successor. So it will become 9 plus 1 0 0 0 0 1. It's 10,000. Now question number 6. Find the value of 988 plus 2 0. First we solve this bracket. 988 plus 2 is 1000. 1000 plus 1 is 1001 into 0. When we multiply any whole number with 0, we always get the answer 0. Right? Now question number 7. Which natural number has no predecessor? Whole number के लिए तो predecessor कौन सा था? कौन सा नंबर था जिसका कोई predecessor नहीं था? That is 0. Because whole number starts from 0. But natural number starts from 1. So the number 1 has no predecessor. इसके पहले तो कोई नंबर ही नहीं है. So the natural number 1 has no predecessor. This is the answer. Question number 8. Represent 15 in triangle and rectangular number. 15 as triangular number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 is triangular number. 15 is rectangular number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. आप ये भी कर सकते हैं कि 5, 5 के 3 रोज बना दें. Yes, children, question number 9. Draw and write one example of linear, square and triangular number. You can write 15 as 15 for triangular number, example of triangular number. Linear, say just like 1, 1 dot, 2, 2 dot, 3, 3 dots. You can use any of the example. And for square, 4 can be represented as square number. Then next 9 can be represented as square number. And for triangular number you can use 10 or 50. जो भी मैंने आपको last question में करा है वो भी. Now come to question number 10. Evaluate using pattern. The first part is 2, 3, 5, 8 minus 99. Here 2, 3, 5, 8 minus, in the place of 99 we will write 100 minus 1. Now we open the bracket, then this minus sign will enter in the bracket. Minus into 100 is minus 100, minus into minus 1 is plus 1, because minus sign will change all the signs in the brackets. Now first we subtract 100, then we add 1. 2, 3, 5, 8 minus 100. It will become 2, 2, 5, 8 plus 1. The final answer is 2, 2, 5, 9. Right? Now come to the second part. Second part is 623 into 99. Now 623, and in the place of 99 we will write 100 minus 1. Now 623 into 100 minus 623 into 1. This is the distributive property. 623 into 100 is 62300 minus 623 into 1 is 623. We just have to subtract 62300 minus 623. 10 minus 3 is 7, 9 minus 2 is 7, 12 minus 6 is 6, and this is 1, 6. So 61677 is the answer. Now come to the third part. 894 into 25. Here 25 can be written as 100 upon 4, because when we divide 100 by 4 we will get 25. Now we multiply the numerator with the numerator. 89400, and then we divide it by 4. So 89400 divided by 4. 4 2 ja 8, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 4 5 ja 20, and this 0. So the final answer is 22350. The fourth part is 437 into 15. Now 15 is half of 30. So 15 की जगह आप क्या लिखोगे 30 upon 2. Now multiply the numerator with the numerator. सिर्फ हमें 437 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, 0 हम लास्ट में लगा देंगे. 3 7 जा 21, 2 कैरी, 3 3 जा 9 and 2 11, 1 कैरी, 3 4 जा 12 and 1 13, और ये लास्ट वाला 0 upon 2. Now when you divide 13110 by 2, you will get the answer. 2 6 ja 12, 1 carry, 2 5 ja 10, 1 carry, 2 5 ja 10, 1 carry, 2 5 ja 10. So this is the final answer. So So children, you can check your answers through this video, do all the corrections. Thank you.